Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Picked this little lot up on Saturday in Keynsham. I didn't have time to actually do the video then, so I'll do it now. That is a jigsaw, 99p. A cat. It's actually laser cut wood. So that's rather nice. Be interesting to see if that goes together. It does look rather nice. I think my daughter might like that. She rather likes her cats. Yeah. Age UK. And then these three, I did do a spotted in a charity shop, caught my eye but didn't buy, featuring these. In fact, there was four, and as they were £1.99 each, I didn't buy them at the time. But when I popped in there on Saturday, they'd reduced them to 99p each. So I bought the train, penguin, and the aeroplane. I didn't bother buying the owl because I've already done the owl kit at least twice, and I've got an unmade kit sitting in my stock, so I just can't face doing another one at the moment. The owl kit has lots of feathers, so lots of repetitive stuff. And I say I've done them twice. I don't see any point in doing them again. I've probably done that one before. I've done penguins before, but I don't know if it's this kit. And I've done quite a few trains in the past as well. Hobbycraft, and they're stamped, not laser cut. But they'll go into my stock in the car to keep me occupied. And that one I'll do on the table at some time. I've got a few other jigsaws I want to get done before we get to this one. Did it say how many pieces? I didn't notice. No, I don't think it said how many pieces. All right. But it does look rather nice. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.